All right, well, welcome back. I've made a few videos on how to clean out the drain line. I've noticed that, okay, before I get started, look, I get it. It may look like there's no P-trap, but I did not build this. D.R. Horton did. I'm just an IT geek helping out my fellow neighbor. So enough of that conversation. So what's been happening is these drain lines continue to get backed up, which then kicks off the primary float switch here that cuts off power to your AC, and you're wondering why your AC is not working. So again, 99% of the time, it's the drain line's backed up, and my frequency has gone from 6 months to 3 months and a little bit even sooner. So YouTube and Google tells me I need to flush it out with water, and I'm going to do exactly that. So this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to swap that piece out, and I'm basically going to go ahead and put in the shutoff valve so that I can then connect the garden hose up at the top left-hand corner, and that then with the shutoff valve prevent it from going back into the system, but then I can just power wash it down out the drain. Let's see how that goes. All right, so this is the end result, and I do have to confess to making a couple rookie mistakes. First mistake was I completely forgot about accounting for this piece. I mean, the way this goes in, this is glued in, so the only way that you're going to get this unscrewed is you got to cut this, and then you can screw it out. So I did not have this part ready, and after I got everything else put together, I should have, rule is get all your parts fitted together first before you glue them, because that then required me to get this union piece later. Had I done some better homework and put a little bit extra distance here, it would have been a nice cleaner job. So what we got here now is the garden hose hookup right here, which I have capped. We got the valve, which is right now in the open position, so when it's draining, it drains. And when I hook up the garden hose, all I have to do is go ahead and close the valve. I can now turn the water on and it'll flush it out. And let's take a look at, let's see what that looks like. There we go. Oh yeah, that's looking good. I think we're good.